can use stamp over gel. In general, because of the makeup of gel and regular polish, they were simply made as two different products and they don't really play well together. However, you can. I think the major things to consider is selecting a correct image that can be used in conjunction with the gel. So as far as images that are no-go for stamping, images like this or like this, where you have a lot more stamping polish than gel, I would say no to. This is definitely a no-no because this is all stamping polish. But pretty much you have more yeses than nos. Even some images like this, I would say yes to, just because there's a lot more holy in spaces where, you know, the gel can adhere to each other. And pretty much yes to all of these images too. So I hope that kind of clarified what is the right or wrong image to select when you're going to be using stamping over your gel polish base.